A toi from Jodassin. It's in A minor. We will start with a little beautiful intro. We have to play second and first fingers. First finger on D string and second finger on A string. It starts with Do, Mi, Do, Si. So keep in mind that you will use first finger also for playing on A string. It's like this. And then we start on E string, Fa. A string, C, first finger. Now fourth finger on A string, Mi. Now we play the verse. It's on G string. La and Mi. We will play them both with first finger. We repeat the verse but with a different ending. Now we go to the chorus. We will start on A string, second finger, Do. Now we will play the verse and chorus one octave higher. We start on A string. If you like to make vibrato on Mi, you should play it fourth finger, or else we can play it open string, like this. La and Mi open string. We make a shift to third position when we are playing Do. Mi, Sol, Do, Si. And then the chorus one octave higher. We are still on the third position. So here we will play Sol diez. To play Sol diez only for this phrase, we will go down to second position, third finger C on E string, and after finishing Sol diez, we will go up half a step, so we go back to the third position, like this. We are still on third position. Now we go down to first position, fourth finger C on E string. Finally, we will play the intro again and finish the song with a long La, 4 big La. Thanks for watching. watching this tutorial. I hope you grab your violin and practice it with me. And for the sheet music, you can contact me. I can provide the PDF file for you. Please subscribe to my channel and write in the comment section which songs you would like to learn. You can find other tutorial videos in my YouTube channel in the playlist tutorials.